Hello and welcome. You are tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of September 2025, Part 1. 4th of September 2025, Zero Shadow Day. The Department of Physics, Holy Cross College, in collaboration with the Tamil Nadu Astronomy Science Society, organized a special event on Zero Shadow Day. This astronomical phenomena occurs when the sun is directly overhead, causing vertical objects to cast no shadow. The event aimed to create awareness about astronomical phenomena and foster scientific interest among students. Eminent speakers, including Mr. V. Muthuswamy, astronomer and science communicator, Tamil Nadu Astronomy Science Society, and Astro Club members delivered talks and engaged participants with practical demonstrations. The program highlighted the commitment of the physics department to promote scientific curiosity and hands-on learning in astronomy. 9th of September 2025, DigiLocker, Digital Records for a Digital Future. The examination section of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, organized a hands-on training program on DigiLocker, Digital Records for a Digital Future on the 9th of September 2025 at the Multipurpose Hall. The session was led by Dr. A. Leslie Fatima, Assistant Controller of Examinations, Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. The primary objective of the program was to provide the first-year undergraduate science students with practical training on DigiLocker, a secure platform for storing and assessing digital academic records. A total of 452 students participated in the training, making them the direct beneficiaries of this initiative. The session covered various aspects of DigiLocker, including its concept and role in the National Academic Depository, the process of creating and assessing accounts, uploading and retrieving academic records, and verifying documents in digital format. Emphasis was also placed on the importance of secure digital storage for a future-ready academic and professional journey. Through this training, students gained first-hand experience in handling DigiLocker, which enhanced their digital literacy and prepared them to manage their educational documents effectively and securely. Overall, the program was highly beneficial as it successfully achieved its aim of creating awareness and imparting practical skills required to embrace a digital future in academic record management. 11th of September 2025, Crosslinks 25. The Department of English and the Department of English Literature with Media Communication jointly organized 13th Intercollegiate Literary Competitions Crosslinks on the theme Ethos of Indian Literature in English on September 11th. 12 colleges participated in 6 on-stage and 5 off-stage events. St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kottai bagged the rolling trophy. 13th and 14th of September 2025, Holy Cross Feast. The campus of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil came alive with devotion and festivity on September 13 and 14th of 2025 as the institution celebrated the Feast of the Holy Cross with great reverence and enthusiasm. The celebration began with a soulful prayer song and the traditional lighting of the Kuthuvilakku, symbolizing divine blessings. The cutting of the cake by the Sisters of Holy Cross added a joyful touch, signifying fellowship and togetherness. A colorful cultural program followed, featuring vibrant performances by students, staff, and sisters from various departments. Each performance beautifully captured themes of faith, compassion, and service, embodying the values represented by the Holy Cross. On September 14th, a solemn Holy Mass was celebrated by Kotar Bishop Reverend Nasreen Sousa in the college chapel. The Eucharistic celebration deepened the spiritual essence of the feast, reminding all of the virtues of humility, selflessness, and love embodied by the cross. The celebration concluded with a festive lunch, bringing together the college community in gratitude and joy. 15th to 17th of September 2025. MS University Intercollegiate Volleyball and Football Tournaments for Women. The Center for Physical Education, Manonmaniam Sundarnar University, in association with Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, organized the MS University Intercollegiate Volleyball and Football Tournaments for Women from September 15 to 17. They even brought together teams from various affiliated colleges, showcasing spirited competition, teamwork, and sportsmanship. In the volleyball tournament, Sadakatullah Upper College, Tirunelveli emerged as the champion, whilst St. Mary's College Toothukudi secured the second place. In the football category, St. Xavier's College Tirunelveli clinched the championship title and Holy Cross College Nagercoil finished as the runner-up. The valedictory ceremony and prize distribution were held on September 17, 2025. Dr. S. Armugam, Director, Center for Physical Education, Manonmaniyam Sundarnar University, presided over the function and distributed the prizes to the winners. The tournament concluded with the MS University football team selection trials. NARF ranking. Holy Cross College Nagercoil has been placed in the 101 to 150th band among Indian higher education institutions in the NARF 2005 colleges category. This placement continues the college's consistent performance. The outcome reflects the college's strengths across key parameters such as teaching learning resources, graduation outcomes, outreach and inclusivity and perception. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.